Good morning children, welcome back in SST class. In previous class we have seen that according to physical feature, India has divided into 5 parts. Number 1, the northern mountains. Number 2, the northern plains. Number 3, the great Indian desert. Number 4, the southern plateau. And then number 5, the coastal plains. We have already discussed about the northern mountains and the northern plains. Today we shall discuss about the great Indian desert, which is explained in lesson 3 in your SST book. So open your book, chapter 3. See the great Indian desert. The heading of this lesson is the Great Indian Desert. What do you mean by desert? You see here. A desert is a flat plain land covered with sand with little or no rainfall and vegetation. Desert वैसा चौरस जगह होता है जहाँ बालू ही बालू नज़र आते हैं और वनस्पतियाँ कम होती हैं, साथ ही रेनफॉल भी कम होता है. To the southwest of the northern plains lies the Great Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert. Have you listened the name of Thar Desert? I think yes. Great Indian Desert is also called the Thar Desert. Now we shall see the location of this region. The western part of Rajasthan is covered by the Great Indian Desert. राजस्थान का बहुत बड़ा भाग इस डेजर्ट से कवर्ड है. It extends from Aravalli Hills in the east to Pakistan in the west. In the north, we see here, in the north and northeast, it touches the boundaries of Haryana and Punjab. And in the south, it extends from the run of Kutch in Gujarat. Children, in next class, we shall see the climate and vegetation and the life of the people of this region. Again, you read it and try to understand. Thank you.